Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're wondering how to install a phone mount in your car the right way, this quick guide will save you time and frustration. I've tried different types over the years, and I'll walk you through what actually works best based on real experience. First, let's talk about the most reliable option: dashboard or windshield suction mounts. In my experience, these are the best overall because they offer strong stability, especially when you're driving on highways or uneven roads. They usually come with a sticky suction cup that locks firmly onto the surface. To install one, start by choosing the right location. If you're going for the windshield, pick a spot that doesn't block your view of the road. If you prefer the dashboard, make sure it's a flat, clean surface. This step is important because dust or dirt can weaken the suction. Next, clean the surface using a dry or slightly damp cloth. Let it dry completely before placing the mount. Then, press the suction cup firmly onto the surface and engage the locking mechanism. Most mounts have a lever you push down to create a vacuum seal. Once it's locked, give it a slight tug to make sure it's secure. After that, adjust the arm or neck of the mount to your preferred viewing angle. Place your phone in the holder and tighten any grips or clamps so your phone stays in place. That's it. You're ready to go. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that sticky suction cups can sometimes leave a bit of residue, especially on dashboards. Also, if you mount it on the windshield, be careful not to block your visibility. But overall, the stability you get is worth it. Now, I've also used air vent mounts, and while they're very common, I personally don't recommend them for long-term use. They're easy to install, you just clip them onto the vent and attach your phone. But they tend to become unstable, especially on uneven roads, bumps, or rough terrain. I've had my phone shake a lot or even fall off, which can be pretty annoying and unsafe. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I share more practical car tips like this that actually work in real life. So, to sum it up, if you want a secure and reliable setup, go for a dashboard or windshield suction mount. Take a few minutes to install it properly, and you'll avoid a lot of hassle later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and product reviews. Also, check the Amazon links in the description below for some phone mounts I recommend that are worth your money. Also, feel free to comment with any questions regarding car phone mounts or car maintenance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video dropping in a few days.